slow lunge, hip flexor, and quad stretch is a great way to get a deep stretch throughout the entire hip flexor and quad, because it does a combination of hip extension and knee flexion. So let's get started. You're going to first start on all fours. Then I'm going to bring my right foot to the outside of my right hand, and I'm going to walk this left knee back. Because what I'm trying to do is that if I'm stretching this left hip flexor, I'm trying to get as much hip extension as possible. So already I'm going to squeeze my glute on this back left leg, and then I'm going to bend this knee. Now with my right hand, I'm going to grab the top of my left foot. So I'm pulling this in toward, pulling my heel in toward me. You see how I kind of want to do this? As much as I can, I'm trying to get full hip extension to be able to get that full stretch. Now I can use gravity to kind of help me to try to bring this front part of my hip down toward the mat as much as I can.